Hi guys, today we're gonna compare armored forces of US use NATO without US. And because of you know why.
Countries are calling us up, kissing my ass.
All we know why it might happen. Okay, it's side armored forces First of all, military expenditure, military budget. Winning US, percent of GDP also US, maybe because in NATO and Europe you can't calculate it, that's why maybe it's zero. Manpower, active personnel, there is a little bit more in Europe. Reserve personnel, much more in Europe and available for militarily. Also Europe with a lot more. Here in the land, NATO and Europe are winning. Land forces, tanks, a little bit, but NATO. Armored fighting vehicles, almost 40,000, use almost 50,000. Yeah, there is also Europe. Total artillery, 3,000, use 9,000. Of course, NATO, self-propelled artillery, also NATO. Rocket artillery, here almost the same, but still NATO. In the land, it's, yeah, NATO, I guess. But air forces, total aircraft, more in US, and fighters, less in US. NATO have more, but military role, attack, helicopters, they're mostly in US. But combat drones, in NATO. So in the land it's NATO, in the air it's US. Navy, total naval, more on NATO side. Aircraft carriers, twice more in US. Destroyers, more in US, a lot more. Frigates, a lot much more because US don't have one. Corvettes, almost the same. Submarines, also almost the same. Here gonna be big and very serious battle in the water, but in the land it's NATO, in the air is US. So where sea, it's gonna be the most interesting one. But I hope no war is coming. So bye.